Hey, this is Mike, and it is Monday, October 12th, and I want to talk to you about Nano Dimension because this is probably one of the most interesting companies out there and one of the most interesting stocks out there. So before I dive into it, if you could please leave a like, that'll help out the algorithm and help people discover more information on this stock. So Nano Dimension is basically a 3D printer fabricator. They create systems that really help companies that want to develop sort of in-house electronics. It's still a very small company. It's based out of Israel, was founded in 2012. Its current market cap is only $140 million. But the reason why a lot of people are interested in this stock is this is one of the latest and actually one of the smallest investments from Kathy Wood's ARK Investments, which is known as one of the biggest, best performing managed ETFs out there. They're known for having a big stake in Tesla and basically outperforming the market, just destroying the market. So the action on Nano Dimensions has been pretty interesting in the past month. We saw this big pop here. It's been rising. It rose on Friday almost 10%, up a little more after hours. And if you look at a wider chart, it's been more erratic. You can tell it had a big pop here, fell, had another pop, but it looks like Nano Dimensions might be able to pop past through this resistance area of 286. And if it can do that, if it can rise next week or this upcoming week above 286, that gives it kind of clear sailing all the way up to this $3, 340 level. So this is definitely a stock to watch. Also, since we're going into the seasonally strong time of the year for tech stocks, all tech stocks are going to rise with that Santa Claus rally, and the Nano Dimensions will be one of that stocks that rises. So this is definitely a stock to look at. Because it is a small stock, it's going to be very volatile. So don't be afraid if you get into this stock that you may see 10% up days, 10% down days. It's just going to be very, very erratic. But if you're looking for speculative money that could double or triple in the next year, Nano Dimensions is going to be something to look at. Now, another thing that could also drive a catalyst for Nano Dimensions is what ARK Investing is going to do. ARK Investing on their site every day after the market closes, they print out their current position holdings. And if ARK Investment adds to their Nano Dimension position, you can rest assured that other people are going to add to their Nano Dimension position. It's almost like a positive feedback loop where, if ARK Investment decides to put another 20 million in, that could cause the stock to pop another 5%. So take a look at, you can just go to the ARK investment website and they'll show you, I think after market closes, they'll show you the printout of the latest of their current holdings. As far as fundamentals, I mean, it's hard to tell. The company doesn't make a profit. You can go to their website and do a little research. This stuff is kind of dense, so unless you have like engineering knowledge, it'll be hard to sort of figure out what they're talking about. But it does seem like this is a company that has disruptive technology. I think the only thing that's really missing is that they don't have any like big partnerships yet, but that may be only a matter of time. And I would certainly, and the thing about penny stocks, the thing that scares me a lot of times about penny stocks is you don't know if the company is for real or if it's a fraud. The great thing about investing in Nano Dimension is that ARK Investment has done the research for you, because you can rest assured that they're not going to invest in a company unless they've done their due diligence. So the great thing about ARK Investment is that they've done the due diligence for you. So if you're looking for a penny stock to invest in that's not going to be a fraud, this is probably one of them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I come out with videos like this every day, along with breaking stock market and investing news. Thanks. Bye.